me powered. Oh, they can't say anything. It'll be fine. Whoa, what the?
Oh, you mean the club?
Yeah.
The club is down. There is no club.
There is no club. If you can make it in there, you make it in there. All right, I'm taxiing out to take off.
There is even worse. The condition of there is even worse than this one. It's all cracked. It's all cracked and weak.
Yeah, but at least it's not this.
I did silent. I said, okay.
At least it's somewhere you can fly without being.
I had about.
All right, taking off.
That was good. No, you were patient with it, and you kind of let it. I wanted to be good. You said it.
Come on, friends. Let's build a car.
Let's build an RC car. RC car? I have motors and batteries. Testing an Airbus.
You know what? Let's build a self-driving RC car. That will go over there.
I want one that can sit me and you in it, and we can tow something crazy. So it's two-wheel drive, two big-ass batteries.
You know what? I'm just gonna take my bicycle, put it on the roof of my car, and tow.
Okay, I'm doing a touch and go from the right. Left, from the left.
And tow a Costco car. Way too high.
Oh, really?
Yeah, no, you can do that, but probably that you're coming way too fast.
It's a touch and go. It's a touch. It's a touch. I'm not landing. Fast low pass from the left.
Yeah, the Hawk is definitely loving this.
Yeah.
I know, watch the weeds, by the way, Ray.
I know.
Yeah.
They will grab you.
They'll reach out and grab you, trust me.
They want some love.
When I was flying my A10, I was like, oh.
Oh shit, yeah.
Okay, another fast low pass.
The science over here as well,
the size of the wing, yeah. It was close, and I'd be, I want to do a low pass, but I'm just like.
You see, you were just a couple of inches away from
I see the space. There's enough space.
The no transparent signs as well.
They're going to be no in your ass in a minute if I get too low. Okay, touch and go aft behind the car. Where's the bike?
No, he's on the far side.
All right. Bounce!
Gear up, flaps up.
I did.
Bounce and go.
You didn't make him fall off the bike, so that was that was mission accomplished or failed. I'm not sure.
Another pass.
Oh yeah, how's yours?
Good. That bridge picture, was that
I had a
Yeah.
interesting interview.
It's right near the water.
Seal Park or something.
They're trying to build their own theater. Is it by the bay?
It's right by the bay.
Yeah, I think I know it.
Yeah.
I think it's called Ryan. It leads to Ryan
Yes.
Park.
Yeah, we were over there walking around. Whoa.
What happened?
Right now, Juice?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
I saw the door. I saw it. I looked ahead. All right, I got to land because these
Yeah,
are
we went
the
over there and walked
crazy
around.
55 C-packs. Oh, he's okay. I have no excuse. I saw it. Landing, yeah. I've got to avoid all obstacles, so I'm good.
Careful, he's landing. Jorge. Careful.
Oh, no.
Alright guys,
It's
good to
fun.
meet you, man.
Good to meet you, too.
Meet you,
Good
brother.
to meet you, bro.
See you around.
Let's see me again.
Nice chasing. I have one more battery after this. The shipments want to go up.
This is the pack that the F5 died in the mud with, so I had to exorcise the demon.